Welcome to Ice Cream History. Ice cream first appeared in ancient Persia, now Iran, about 2,500 years ago. In those early times, they were all based on the sweetened water that was iced, ground into little pieces, and then decorated with various tasting toppings and fruits. The tradition of ice cream production slowly reached the Greek and Roman empires, where ice creams were welcomed and frequently enjoyed by the Roman nobility and royalty. They had the necessary money to fund a very expensive process of production. During the Roman Empire, Nero Claudius Caesar frequently sent runners into the mountains for snow, which was then flavored with fruits and juices. After the fall of the Roman Empire, organized ice transport from the mountains to the cities below stopped. Because of this, ice cream became even more expensive. Over 1,000 years later, Marco Polo returned to Italy from Asia with a recipe that closely resembled what we now call sherbet. Ice cream contains almost 50% milk or cream, while sherbet contains a maximum of 2% cream or milk. It is estimated that this recipe evolved into ice cream sometime in the 16th century. It wasn't until 1660 that ice cream was made available to the general public at the first cafe in Paris, Café Broco. The owner was a Sicilian named Francesco Procopio Guto. He invented a recipe blending milk, cream, butter, and eggs. This was the man who invented gelato, Italian ice cream. The first official account of ice cream in the New World came from a letter written in 1744 by a guest of Maryland Governor William Bladen. The first advertisement for ice cream in this country appeared in the New York Gazette on May 12, 1777, when confectioner Philip Lindsay announced that ice cream was available almost every day. Records kept by a Chatham Street, New York merchant show that President George Washington spent almost $200 on ice cream during the summer of 1790. In 1813, Dolly Madison served a magnificent strawberry ice cream creation at President Madison's second inaugural banquet at the White House. The ice cream sundae was invented in the American soda fountain shops in the late 1890s. It was originally called Sundae and later changed to Sundae. In 1926, ice cream became more accessible to the public. This was due to the invention of continuous refrigeration with electrical freezers. This enabled industrial manufacturers to produce very large quantities of this frozen treat, which dramatically reduced the price for consumers. At this point, ice cream was a more affordable treat for everyone. Ice cream became an edible morale symbol, something that would improve the mental and emotional well-being of a person during World War II. Each branch of the military tried to outdo the others in serving ice cream to its troops. In 1945, the first floating ice cream parlor was built for sailors in the Western Pacific. South America is home to an ice cream bean, fruit that tastes like vanilla ice cream. Ice cream bean is a sweet cotton-like fruit that tastes like ice cream. Ice cream bean is also known as huanquinquil, guaniquil, guama, and guava. It is native to South America. It takes 3 gallons of milk to produce just 1 gallon of ice cream. The first ice cream cone was produced in 1896 by Italio Marchionni. Marchionni, who immigrated from Italy in the late 1800s, invented his ice cream cone in New York City. He was granted a patent in December 1903. Although Marchionni is credited with the invention of the cone, a similar creation was independently introduced at the 1904 St. Louis World's Fair by Ernest A. Hamway, a Syrian concessionaire. In 1906, Clarence Clifton Brown owned C.C. Brown's ice cream shop in Los Angeles, California. He had the idea to create a topping that would slowly melt the cold ice cream. He experimented for 2 months and finally found the right recipe. Americans celebrate National Ice Cream Month. The month of July. Enjoy your yummy ice cream. And thank you for watching.